Hello guys, welcome to our very first edition of the Food Adventures. And right now, we are featuring Alugbati Mami. Here's our ingredients. 1 pack of chicken mami with seasoning, 2 cups of water, 4 cloves garlic mince, 1 small onion chopped, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 150 grams Alugbati leaves washed and picked, 1 egg beaten, optional, salt and pepper to taste. Procedures. First, saute the aromatics. Heat the cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the garlic and onion and saute until fragrant, around 30 seconds. Second, bring water to a boil. Add well water to the pan and bring it to a boil. Third, add noodles and seasoning. Add the chicken mami noodles and the seasoning packet from the pack. Let simmer for about 2 minutes or according to the package instructions for the cooking time. Fourth, incorporate the alugbati. Once the noodles are almost cooked, add the alugbati leaves. Gently stir to combine. Fifth, season and adjust consistency. Season the soup with salt and pepper to your taste. If you prefer a thicker soup, you can mash some of the alugbati leaves while they're simmering. 6. Egg drop, optional. If you're using an egg, slowly drizzle the beaten egg into the pan while stirring to create thin egg strands. And 7. Serve hot. Enjoy your Alugbati Mami while it's hot.